Good morning, night shifters. Welcome back. Market up or down. The market was down today, but little big picture, it's just sideways. Okay. We're in this range here. We're just going sideways. Check the brokerage account. Nothing major. We did have a good day here on United Health. But we're just kind of hanging out. We've got some money. So let's go through our trading plan. Start with the screener here. I'm going to refresh it just so that you can get the most up-to-date version. All right. Now, first things we want to do is check for stocks that we already have. I think we have a TAP on the books, do we not? Yeah, we got TAP. And the rest of them I did not see. So we'll start here. Remember, you want to use math as your market advantage rather than just skip around and try to find something different. Dividends, debt under 4, P's under 15, 49.34. TAP. Nice and easy. All right. I'm going to cancel the sell order, and this will be our one and only round trip order here. So first trigger's the second here to get the other leg of the order. We're going to try to buy one. Remember, try to keep it to 1% of my total account size and sell to sell. 49.34 limit order, good till cancel with the extended hours. You need to come up with the sell price. So if you add these up divided by 2, that'll get you an average. I'm going to take that number times 1.01. Get the sell target I like. So pause the video, do that math for yourself, and you'll see almost a full % down from the previous sell order we had in. So as the stock continues to fall, we can still get out in profits. And check this confirmation screen. I don't want to get messed around like I did before, especially since it's not working that well. And shipping. So next step is the trading plan, and make sure you have your trading plan written down. But the next step is to go back to the screener and look for stocks that are in my universe. There's Brown-Forman's in there, but for some reason the broker doesn't like that one. But Ross is actually in my universe. And you can see immediately the PEs are too high. They're both over 15. See? Now, next step of the trading plan, I'm just going down the list. EPC looks good. We got dividends, debt under 4, PEs are under 15. 22.79 EPC. And you can see the last sell we had was EPC, and look at the price. it was higher. So this stock is continuing to go lower, and we are making profits. That is the one thing I want to stress to you folks. The stock market does not have to go up for you to pull profits out of it. Remember, we're out of day trades, so these will be just buy orders. Maybe in the morning we'll do a hack the PDT if any of these buy orders fill out tonight. And just a little bit of extra effort. If you put the extra effort in, you get the extra money. That's just how life works, especially here in America. Limit, fit till cancel, extended hours. I guess worldwide you have access to the American markets. Okay, back to the screener. We still have money. So until we're out of money or until we're through the list, keep pushing. We did Ross, did Tap, T-Mobile. PEs are too high. You can see immediately, both over 15. You don't need to take the average. If they're both over 15, you know the average is above that. And Western Union is the last one here. We've got a high dividend, very high debt. This is a very high risk play, but it's under 4, which is my limit, and the PEs are very nice. 843 for Western Union. Here we need to do some math. So 1% of our total account will be $19 divided by 843, which is the share price for Western Union. And that will tell us how many shares. I do not round up on this, but it will be 2 shares for a grand total of 1686. And hopefully eventually we'll have to do this math with every purchase. And then it doesn't matter what the share price is, every position will be truly 1% of the total account. And so far we've been on a pretty good run of being able to buy everything on the screener. But if you have been watching for a while, you know that when the market turns, the screener will light up 3 or 4 pages deep. And what we really want is be able to afford to buy more positions when those kinds of scenarios happen. Limit order could till cancel with the extended hours. Three, check. And you can see we have followed the plan, still have some cash, so we can still continue to use math as a market advantage, and ready for whatever happens overnight and into the morning. So that being said, I'm going to head off to work, try to wake up a little bit. If you're still here, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Remember, I'm not your licensed financial advisor. I'm not licensed to do anything besides drive. And you got to make your own decisions. But this is my journey. This is what I do. Just for a little fun and entertainment. Maybe a little education sprinkled in. But if anything else, show you that real average people kill the markets. And this is how I do. Started from nothing on this account. So if you're new, go check the playlist. Start at the beginning, and you can see how we got here. But I'm excited. We're gonna overcoat this 2,000 very quickly. We've got a lot of pin-up losses in the P&L. So when these clear out, we'll be there. How glorious will it be? And we'll continue to crank up the investing account, and then used earned efforts and earned income to create truly passive income. Trading is not passive income, but the investing surely is. So thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.